We are going back to classics, and that is RSI indicator, but of course it is overpowered version. So in this video we are covering a new trading strategy that will go back in our roots. So before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. Like always, open up your empty TradingView chart and head over to indicators tab. Then search for Bjorgum and you will see indicator Superscript, and you click that your chart. We will have three different indicators and I will show you the exact settings and exact method and of course the time frames that I am using. So our second indicator is, please type in Nadaraya and you will see indicator from LuxAlgo. It is called Watson Envelope. Make sure that it is same because it has a different type of indicators, so don't get confused. Click that your chart again, and our final indicator is PMax RSI and you will see indicator from Kıvanç Özbilgiç. Click that your chart. Get ready to take your trading to the next level. I have passed lot of challenge account easy like 3 to 1 with LuxAlgo Premium. These indicators are here to guide you in the darkness. You can use LuxAlgo indicators on any market you want. LuxAlgo has 3 different trading indicators, signals and overlays, price action concepts and oscillator metrics. The great thing is they all have their own backtesting system. Click the link in the description to claim your discount now. After you add all indicators, you should see the same chart like me. So now what we're gonna do is, I will teach you how we can combine these 3 indicators and which time frame is the best for to use this. For the demonstration purposes, we are trading today S&P 500 and my time frame is 5 minutes. But you can use this strategy on any time frame and any type of market, because this strategy really based on the price action, so it's very suitable for all type of markets. You can go and use it for the Indian market, or you can trade cable, you can trade Euro USD, whatever you want. So the rules are very simple. Let's deep dive into that. Let's take a quick look one by one all of these indicators. Let me hide this, and first thing is Bjorgum Superscript. What it does, it will show you this blue cloud and the red cloud, and it will change the candle's color. Now let me tell you what is it. It's very important. The blue means bullish, the red means bearish, but the thing here is the yellow bars. Yellow bars means it's a reversal bar. It means that market changing its direction, market changing its behavior. It's going from bullish to bearish or vice versa. So in that scenario, you see that it was blue, now it returns to yellow. Let me show that to you, and voila, we see that the cloud returns to red. What you will do is you can take a short position with the bar close here. And a very important thing is, I do not forget to show you the settings, but first I would like to show you how that things work. Then I will put settings in the video, don't worry. So if you understand this indicator, let's go on to the next one, which is LuxAlgo's Nadaraya Watson Envelope. This indicator is very solid, it's highly useful and beginner and advanced trader friendly. So how we use this? This indicator will give you this channel, upper band and the lower band, and also you will get sell and buy signal like this. So also you can understand that red is overbought and the green is oversold. It works like that. If you understand that, let's hide this and let's go over to the RSI. It is an overpowered RSI. The developer is Kıvanç Özbilgiç. It will give you buy and sell signal. Also you can see a classic RSI, this purple line and the upper band, the lower band, right? You familiar with it because when you start trading you get like a 3 to 4 indicators: RSI, the moving averages, the MACD, maybe VWAP, right? So the RSI is very classic one. It has also some special space in our hearts. So the question, how this thing works. When you see the sell, you will take a short position. When you see the buy, you can take a long position, right? But there is also one more catch. So if you remember how to use RSI, when this purple line goes above the 70, it means that overbought, you should take some partials or you can take your profit. And when this purple line goes down to until like 30, it means that it's oversold. You can close your short position or your partial. So all of these indicators literally a hidden gem. Now what we're gonna do is make this strategy an overpowered. Let's enable everything and let's see how that things work. If you got this example again here, don't forget that we are trading 5-minute time frame. We see that this Bjorgum returns to red and we see the reversal candle and the short position is incoming. What you can do is you can go down and check the RSI here. If it is above the 50, you can take a short position with this signal here. But also the most secure one and the most profitable one is you can wait until these three indicators confirm themselves. It will be more safe for you and it will be more profitable in the long run. So how we gonna do that? We are riding this candle here and we see that we got a sell signal from the RSI indicator, right? That's from the Kıvanç Özbilgiç. And after that we see this, the price touches the upper band of the Nadaraya indicator. And with that we got a sell signal here. And what you should do is you should check this cloud if it is still red and we got the sell, everything perfect. Now all you need to do is just take this short position with the bar close here and you will ride your trade until you see a reversal bar from the Bjorgum Superscript indicator. This is how I use it, but also you can use a Nadaraya signal, you can use RSI here again, whatever you want. But my personal favorite is the reversal candle. When I take a short here, I will ride my trade until I see a reversal candle close. After that, I am out of the position. You can put your stop loss to the recent resistance line somewhere here, will be perfect fit. And voila, that's it. That's how this strategy works. It's very easy, it's highly profitable, and the best thing is you can now go and use it on your chart now on any time frame and any type of market. Now it's time for settings. Now head over to Bjorgum Superscript and click the settings button. And now select the strategy. You will choose BJ reversal, MA source is closed, T3 alpha is 0.7, and you can copy everything you see on my settings now. And if you done that, hit OK and go to the Nadaraya settings and change bandwidth to 9, change multiplier by 3 and enable the repainting smooth, and that's it. That's all you need to do. And now go to the RSI settings and change source to HEL2, multiplier 2.6 and length is 5, change this to 0.8, ATR length is 7 and RSI length is 14, and that's all the settings we gonna use in this whole strategy. So let's see the next example here. We see the reversal candles and after that candle returned to blue, which means it's bullish and we are trading on the lower band and the RSI is oversold. What we are looking for is just some buy opportunity here, and we get a buy signal from the Nadaraya and the cloud is blue, and after a while we get a buy signal from the RSI indicator. Then boom, you will take a long position here and you will ride your trade until you see a reversal candle and you will put your stop loss to the recent support line, which will be here, perfect fit. It's very easy. You see how that worked. We didn't make a cherry pick. It's the recent market hours. I just opened the chart, put my 5-minute. That's how I trade. That's how I use this strategy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please consider watching those videos, and before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And until the next time, see you soon.